Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a super simple storage silo in Minecraft. These are all the materials you'll need. I'll also have all the items listed in the description below. Using whatever border blocks you want. I'll be using logs, build up 6 blocks. Leave a 3 block gap and build up 6 more blocks. You can also go more or less, depending on how many chests you want, but I'll be demonstrating this with 5 chests. Place 5 double chests, like so, and place in your 5 redstone lamps next to the chests. At the top of the chests, place 2 transparent blocks. I'll be using stairs. This is so that you can open the chest at the top. And a block right here. Come around the back and place 5 blocks behind all the redstone lamps. Place in all 5 hoppers looking at the backs of the chests, like so. Then place your comparators facing into this block. One comparator here, block, another comparator, another block, and another comparator, like this. Then place a block here and a here, a comparator facing at this hopper, and a redstone repeater facing at this block. Then place another block here and here, another comparator facing out the hopper, and another redstone repeater facing out the block. Build 4 blocks up in the middle, 2 blocks right here, and 2 blocks right here. Remove the 2 blocks in the middle and place your 2 redstone dust, and that's you're basically done. You can come up top, place your last hopper facing downwards into the rest of the hoppers, and place your last chest on top. This chest will be your input chest. This is where you put all your items, but you probably also want to add on an item sorter or like a bubble elevator that glides items across the hoppers. For demonstration purposes, if I put items into this chest, they'll go down all these hoppers, and at the bottom one, that will trigger this comparator at the bottom, lighting up the redstone lamp. Once this chest fills up, this hopper will begin filling up, and then items in this hopper will go into this chest, lighting up the redstone lamp. For demonstration purposes, I've filled up this chest, cobblestone, and I've filled in this hopper. Now if I place more items into this chest, they'll go into this hopper, triggering this comparator and this redstone dust, turning on the repeater that's going into this block, powering the redstone lamp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.